For my foundation, I'm going to use the Mint Potions Full Cover Acne Treatment Concealer. This has tea tree oil and you can really smell it from the formula. I'm just applying this all over my face, and this concealer slash foundation is really full coverage. I'm using just a like slanted but flat top foundation brush. And I really like this brush because it's really dense, so it really blends out my foundation really well. So just blend. As you can see, it just blends really nicely and it doesn't look super thick or anything. Then I'm using the shade 01 Light, also the full cover acne treatment concealer. The first shade I used was the 02 Natural. Then I'm just applying this under my eyes to cover the dark circles. Then for my eyebrows, I'm going to use the eyebrow pomade from Mint Potions, and the shade that I'm using is dark brown. This has 4 shades: gray, dark brown, and medium brown. So I'm just applying this how I normally apply my eyebrow pomade. Next, I'm gonna go to the shade medium brown, and I'm just gonna use this to contour my eyes and my nose. So like I said, these are multi-purpose products. You don't really need to use it in just one way. And then this is just an eyeshadow, a shimmery eyeshadow from You Can Be. It's not from Mint Potions, but I like this. And this eyeliner is from this eyeliner is from Mint Frim. Okay, I can't talk today. This eyeliner is from Mint Potions and it's really nice black. I haven't really launched this eyeliner yet, but I will very soon. I'm still playing with the formula. I'm making sure everything's okay. This is the Organic Rouge in Sweet Peach. I chose this color because I already have really colorful eyes going on, so I went for something that looks more natural for my skin tone. I didn't go for a pink or a red. I really like this shade, and since I already have purple eyeshadow, why not pair it with purple mascara? So we are almost done with the look. I am using this medium brown to line my lash line. So yeah, like I said, you can use these products in different ways, and this is the final makeup look using a full face of makeup using Mint Potions, except for the eyeshadow. But yeah, I hope you guys like this look. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys again next time.